Hello, Python enthusiasts. Welcome back to our Python for Beginners series. I am Indunal Thembawana, and today we're diving into a crucial topic that every Python developer should master: handling errors and exceptions. But before we explore the world of error handling, let's quickly recap what we've learned in our Python journey so far. By now, you're comfortable with Python basics: variables, data types, conditional statements, loops, functions, data structures, file handling, and even object-oriented programming, OOP. Today, we're learning how to deal with the unexpected. Errors and exceptions are a part of every programmer's life. But the good news is, Python provides powerful tools to handle them gracefully and prevent your programs from crashing. 1. Common Python errors. We'll explore some of the common types of errors you might encounter, like syntax errors, name errors, and more. 2. Understanding exceptions. Exceptions are like alarms that Python raises when something goes wrong. You'll learn to identify and handle them. Let's put error handling into action. Open your IDE, and let's create examples to understand how to handle errors and exceptions in Python. In these examples, we'll explore how to gracefully handle errors and exceptions in Python, ensuring your programs can handle unexpected situations. Here, in this example, we will try to divide a number by 0. As it is not possible, Python will throw an error, and here with the catch statement we catch that error and print a readable error message to the output. In the second example, we are trying to convert a string to an integer using the int function. It will also throw an error and we catch it and direct the error message to output. Let's run the program and check the output. Error handling is a crucial skill, whether you're developing web applications, games, or any Python project. It helps your code become more robust and reliable. Congratulations on becoming a pro at handling errors and exceptions in Python. In the next lesson, we'll explore the fascinating world of Python libraries and take your programming capabilities to new heights. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, click that like button and share the video. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notifications when I add new videos like this. Have a great day. Cheers.